हाय, मैं हूं सिद्धार्थ सरीन और आज हम आपके सामने कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स रखेंगे so that you can crack Karnataka PGCET exam. You need to finish 4 sections of Karnataka PGCET exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 100 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Make quantitative and reasoning your strong subjects. Practice questions to solve them within the time to increase efficiency. You should lay emphasis not on mugging up the formulas but instead try understanding the concepts so that you can modify the formulas according to the questions and their requirements. Remember, negative marking is not a factor here. Therefore, try to attempt all the questions. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with time limit attached to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam on time. For this, I would recommend you the Prep Guru app designed by Youth for Work for this very purpose. तो अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमें लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।